Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am unboxing a points redemption order. So a Young Living order that I just basically placed using my free points that I get back. So it's super exciting. I do that probably once every 3 months, I would say, just to get some free stuff. But before I open that, I am sharing a new favorite diffuser with you guys. It is by Ajna, and this is a new product. First of all, they make just different kinds of wellness products. I have their yoga mat, and it is so good. It's made with natural materials. It has jute in it, and so it helps with grounding. It's super like soft and plush. It is like the best yoga mat I've ever used, and I love it so much. They also have like booty bands, I think, and different workout, different wellness products. They just launched these new diffusers, and they are beautiful. So it's ceramic and so much less. Like, I have wanted a ceramic diffuser for so long, and they are so expensive. So this one's a lot less. It's just so cool. This is the black one. I have this one in my kitchen, and it obviously has a plug too, but I just took it off to show you guys. It's a pretty small diffuser. I don't know if the size is probably on the box. So I'll share that in just a second. I'm gonna show you another color too, but it's pretty small. I mean, you know, it's your typical maybe 200 milliliter size diffuser. It's very simple. It has 2 different buttons, but it is just, look how awesome. Matte black ceramic. I just love it so much. And our kitchen is black and white, so it just works perfectly in there. But for any small room, this is such a good diffuser. I haven't had any problems with it yet. I've had it for a while now. I think maybe a month ago or so they launched these, but the link to shop will be in the description. I think I might have a coupon code for you too. That'll be down there as well. But the next one, I wanted to show you just the box too that it came in, because I don't have the box for my black one still. But look how pretty that metallic little detail is on the box and all around it. AjnaWellbeing.com. Yeah, that will be in the description, so you guys can check them out. You can also follow them on Instagram. But when you get your diffuser, this is the plug, and I've already kind of opened this one too, but that's just the cord. And then it will have this little, let me try to flip it this way, there you go, little booklet about it, instructions, frequently asked questions, more about their brand, and then the diffuser. And this is their, I would say, like cream tan colored one, and this one I am doing a giveaway. Look how cute. It's like a tan beige color. And they also have one more color. There's 3 colors. They also have a green one, which is really pretty too. I think I might get the green one next. But as I was saying, I am giving this beige tan one away in my, whoever's on my team. I have a Facebook group for the members that are have signed up with Young Living with my number, and I am doing a giveaway with those people. So if you're not in that group and want to be, let me know, because we do some pretty cool giveaways and a lot of just additional oil information, and just a good way to ask questions in more of like a personal area, a personal feel, I guess. Okay, let's get to my Young Living order. All of this was free. The box is looking pretty rough. I'm not even gonna pick it up. It actually got shipped to my mother-in-law's house, and so it was shipped across the country so many times. But everything's in here, so that's the part that matters, right? Okay, oh, Frankie's acting like a ghost back there, moving the curtains. This is an oil, I believe. I don't even remember what I ordered. It's been so long because I had to get it shipped here and shipped there. Oh, this is grounding. This is an oil blend I've been wanting to try probably since I joined Young Living. It is a blend of, let's open it up and see. My allergies are so bad right now. It's like, it's spring, obviously, and it's like warm, cold. The pollen, everything is like confused. Michigan spring is so weird. Anyways, this grounding oil is a blend of white fir, black spruce. Chris is a big fan of black spruce. He's gonna like this one a lot, I think. Ylang ylang, pine, cedarwood, angelica, and juniper. He is going to love it. It actually sounds similar to the gratitude oil, and he uses that every day. Oh, it smells just like gratitude. Oh, it smells so, so good. This is good, you guys. It's so, it's very, I just get lots of tree, so lots of pine and that spruce. But it's also just like calming and uplifting as well. I think that's the ylang ylang. But it smells so good. And most of these blends versus singles are already diluted. I don't know if this one was or not. I should have looked before I grabbed it over. What is it? No, this one's not diluted, so should have diluted that, but that's okay. It smells so good. So good. Next, we got some Ningxia. We get this every few months, probably 3 or 4 times a year. It goes fast. Everyone loves it. It's just expensive. I'm not gonna lie, it's super expensive. So we don't order it regularly, but we do when we can, like when I have points. Sorry if that's super loud. Okay, so you can order Ningxia in a few different ways. You can order 2 big bottles. You can order a few little packets. It just depends. That cardboard smells. It just depends. It's pretty much, it's very close in price no matter how you order it per ounce. But this is how we like to do it. The cardboard stinks. But basically, this is like a wellness drink. It's like a multivitamin. It has so many antioxidants. It's crazy. It's made from the goji berry, wolfberry, goji berry, and it's like the highest fruit that is the highest ranked antioxidant. What am I trying to say? And so it boosts your immune system, boosts energy. It's just overall wellness. So in this video, when I'm editing, I'm going to put right here or right here, you said, just all of the benefits from Ningxia, because I don't know them all off the top of my head. There are so many, but just heart health, all kinds of things. And I'm like dying over the smell of this. Why does that smell so bad? Oh my God. But I did that before, where I just put like a little insert of additional facts and tidbits about each product or oil, and you guys liked that, so I'll do that. I cannot get away from me. Okay, I'll put more info on grounding, Ningxia, and then this is the last thing. I got 3 different things. This is Super B. This is a Super B, a B multivitamin, or a B vitamin, what I'm trying to say, a multivitamin supplement. It has thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, vitamin B6, folate, B12, biotin, pantothenic acid, calcium, magnesium. I did not have magnesium. A small amount of magnesium, zinc, selenium, and manganese. Okay. And then the proprietary, I can't say that word, Super B blend. So it has some essential oils as well. These, don't sleep on Young Living's multivitamins or any of their supplements, because they are made safe, clean, with the best ingredients, no cheap synthetic fillers or anything like that. Like if you get a multivitamin like this at Walgreens, it's probably going to be the things I just listed.
I was running to the ocean. I didn't wanna be tied down to nothing, but since I made